In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean up in Google Sheets. So let's say you're done with your report and you're about to submit it, but you want to double check and make sure that everything is in tip-top shape. What you can do is a data cleanup. Let's do that by going to Data in the menu bar and selecting Data Cleanup right here. On the right side, you have Cleanup Suggestions, Remove Duplicates, and Trim White Space. Let's go to Cleanup Suggestions. And you'll see on the right side, we have our cleanup suggestions where we have our duplicate rows and trim white space. In our duplicate rows, once you hover over these, they will show you where they are located in your data. So we can choose to ignore this or remove. So let's click on remove. The next one would be trim white space. So as you see here, we have spaces before and after the text inside our cells. We have a space before female, 2 spaces after human resources, and 2 spaces after sales. So again, we can just ignore this depending on if you want to keep it this way, or we can just accept all suggestions. And there you have it. We have done a cleanup data using our cleanup suggestions right here. So even if you go back to data and select data cleanup again, if you choose to select remove duplicates, it will ask you to check on all the columns that you want to analyze. And once you're done, you can just select remove duplicates. And it will tell you that no duplicate rows were found. Click on OK. We can do the same thing to our white space. So again, go back to data, data cleanup, and trim white space. No selected cells had white space trimmed. And there you have it. That's how to do data cleanup in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.